Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a delicious Irish shepherd's pie. In a pot over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 pounds of ground lamb. You could also use ground beef, but that would be a cottage pie. Brown your meat and add 1 large chopped onion. Cook until it's translucent. Now add 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to add body. And then 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Chili flakes are optional. Finally, add some fresh parsley and mint. Mix well and add 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Add 1 cup of red wine and mix. You will notice how the sauce thickens almost instantly. Now add 1.5 cups of frozen peas and 1 cup of fresh or frozen carrots. Mix it well and add 1.5 cups of water. At this point, you could add about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Cover and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Once uncovered, season it with salt and pepper and set it aside. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Let's make the mashed potatoes. Wash, peel, and quarter the potatoes. Boil until tender and mash them. Add 1 cup of hot milk or cream. Season your potatoes and beat them until smooth. Now add 2 egg yolks and continue to beat. In an oven-proof dish, layer the lamb mixture. Then carefully smooth over the mash. Here you can make a rustic design using a fork or make peaks using a spatula. Sprinkle dried parsley and/or breadcrumbs and bake for about 40 minutes. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or future video ideas. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.